Look at this, another unboxing. For those of you that watched the Pro Sport gauge install, I did not hook up the oil pressure sender. You know, the Mazdaspeeds, they don't have a good way of screwing in an extra sensor or a sender, so I found this by doing a Google image of Mazdaspeed oil pressure sender, and we're going to open this up right now. Show you what we got. This right here is a Damond Motorsports kit that allows you to attach this hose to where the factory sender is and come out with a T so you can reutilize the factory sender and your new gauge sender. So it's got some twist lock fittings. I'm going to inspect these a little more because it's the first time using these. And also, I don't know why they got two hose clamps in here. Possibly to secure them to the twist lock. We'll see how that goes. I'll have an install video of this, guys, and show you exactly how to do it. So there's your T. So that would, you would screw it together. Teflon tape, of course. It's all, everything's supplied. This will come here, and then this would go to the other one to go to the factory sender that's in the block. And I believe they give you, is that it? Yeah. They give you the reducer so you can utilize if you have a 1/4 or 1/8 inch thread. If you don't want to use the factory one, or if you don't have another sender yet and you want to install this, they give you a plug too. So I like that. Best thing, $29. $29 with free shipping. You can find their website. It's DamondMotorsports.com. I'll put the link in there. $29 free shipping. You don't have to go crazy and find all these parts to rig something up. So I'll have an install video on this coming up.